Well, hello everybody, Gold Coin Digger here again. Yesterday I was out metal detecting and lost signal to my Garrett headphones here. Couldn't figure out what the problem was. The signal was coming from the machine, but it stopped coming from my headphones. So let's take a look at what I discovered and how we're going to fix it. Well, what we found out was this piece here, as your cable gets tangled once in a while, it turned inside here, disconnecting the wires on the inside. So let's go take a look inside, see what I'm saying, and see what we're going to do to get it fixed. We got to take off this piece right here, and this piece here just pops off. There you go. You can see it comes right off, and you can see these wires here are disconnected. We're going to resolder them back on at the right connections. Looked online, found somebody's posting that's telling me which wires are going to go where. We'll get it resoldered back on. We'll give you a little description of what we're hooking up here. Coming from here, we got the black wire going to the far left, and the white and red coming from here hooks up to the far right. So we'll get them cleaned up, and then we're going to take those zip ties off, give us a little more cable here. Once it's soldered back on, we'll re-put the zip ties back on, and we're going to have to put some epoxy or some sort of glue in here that's going to stop this thing from turning. We don't want those wires ever to come off again. Well, we just got back from the hobby shop. They soldered the wires on perfectly for a few dollars. They were very helpful. Got my zip tie on there. Now we're just going to put some epoxy glue around that so it doesn't ever turn again. Well, there you have it. The glue's all in place. Just let her set up. But there you have it for fixing the Garrett headset loose connection. Be all ready to roll tomorrow. Well, here you have it. Got the loose wires all fixed up in the Garrett headset here. Back at her again. See what we can find in this park. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next hunt.